My name is Pat Alexander, and I'm the Director of Education at Napa Valley Museum. And this is our Family Fun Day. Every second Saturday of the month, we have a wonderful art program where families can get together. We have fun. March, of course, is a time for wonderful springtime. Hats are indicative of celebration and Easter and upcoming spring. There's also the Kentucky Derby, where lots and lots of people wear beautiful hats. There's also Mardi Gras, and this particular idea called Do You Like My Hat comes from a story, from a book. And the book is something that my children loved when they were tiny, and quite a few kids in this room knew about that book, and so the name of it is Do You Like My Hat?